What if the Library of Alexandria had survived through the centuries? Could humanity have reached the future much faster?
Have you found anything similar in the archives?
There are a few passages, but nothing this specific.
The Library of Alexandria was the largest collection of knowledge in the ancient world. It held thousands of scrolls covering science, philosophy, medicine, and technology. But it was destroyed, and with it, countless ideas were lost forever. If the library had survived,
This could unlock so many secrets.
The data aligns with our initial hypothesis.
Truly remarkable. A bridge between eras.
ancient civilizations could have advanced centuries ahead. Imagine discovering electricity, astronomy, or medicine thousands of years earlier.
Knowledge spreading across continents, glowing trade routes and ideas.
The Renaissance might have happened much sooner, and the world could have entered a technological age far before the Industrial Revolution. Knowledge would be centralized, allowing collaboration across continents. Languages, cultures, and philosophies could have blended faster, creating a more unified and informed world. But with great knowledge comes great risk. Powerful empires might have misused technology, leading to advanced warfare or domination much earlier. Science could have advanced ethically in some regions, but unchecked ambition might also create global catastrophes. Imagine attending school today and learning math, physics, and medicine from texts written thousands of years ago. Imagine the world without the Dark Ages. How different would society, culture, and technology be? So the loss of the library reshaped history forever. But here's another question. What if World War II had ended differently?